Want to make your PDF forms more interactive and professional by adding a drop-down menu field? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do this using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you need to streamline data entry or provide users with preset choices, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a customizable drop-down menu that fits your form perfectly. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open up your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you don't already have your PDF ready, go ahead and prep the file you want to work with. Now, once your document is open, look up at the top for the Tools menu. Click on that and then select Prepare Form. You might also spot the Prepare Form feature under the Edit menu. Either way is fine. The goal is to access the set of tools designed specifically for form creation. This step is important because Acrobat switches into a mode where you can edit and add interactive fields, rather than just viewing or annotating the document. You'll notice the sidebar and toolbar change to show a variety of field options. Now, let's add your drop-down list. In the Prepare Form toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like a tiny arrow next to some lines. That's the drop-down list tool. Go ahead and click that. Move your cursor to the spot on the PDF where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Maybe it's next to a question like, select your department, or anywhere that makes sense for your form's layout. Click and drag to create the field. You don't have to worry about getting the exact size right. You can always adjust it later. If it doesn't go exactly where you want it, just move it around with a simple drag. Acrobat lets you be flexible here. Here's where the real customizing happens. Right-click the drop-down menu you just placed and select Properties. This opens up the main dialog box, which is where you'll define how users interact with this field. Let's go through a few important tabs together. Start with the Options tab. Under Item, you'll type the choices you want your users to see. Maybe things like Marketing, Sales, Finance, or even more personalized selections like Option 1, Option 2, and so on. After typing each entry, click Add to insert that option into the list. Take your time here and make sure you've got all the items covered. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always remove or reorder items using the up and down buttons. This part can take a few moments as you decide on the most logical or helpful order for your dropdown. Next, go to the General tab. Here you can rename the field so it's easily identified later, especially if your form has multiple fields. Giving each field a clear name, like Department Selection, can be a lifesaver when troubleshooting or collecting responses. Pop over to the Appearance tab. Here you can set the font, text size, and color. This lets you match your drop-down field to your form's overall design, which is a nice touch for professionalism and readability. For example, if the rest of your form uses blue text, consider matching your drop-down, or maybe just make it a little bolder to stand out. Before you finish, click Preview to see exactly how your drop-down menu will look and function on the live form. This is a great time to double-check that everything looks clean and every option is spelled correctly. If anything feels off, just hop back and make adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click OK to close the Properties dialog. Don't forget the final step. Save your document. This locks in all the changes and makes sure you won't lose a thing. If you need to distribute the form or send it to someone, now it's ready and interactive. And that's it. You've added a drop-down menu field to a fillable PDF using Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another form feature you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.